Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are fine. And we know that today is not our presentation day. We will learn new things. So I already shared a slide. It's about a paragraph like how to keep fit. কিভাবে নিজেকে fit রাখতে হবে. So I think that I said you have to write it down. Your writing is done? No? Okay. If I give you more 5 minutes, that will be okay.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Okay. So before writing, you just read out one time and then I will give you 5 minutes. So all of you just unmute yourself and read out. Loudly read করবো। Sound দিয়ে পড়বো জোরে জোরে। Anila read out, Srishti read out.
Fit. We should
We
abide
keep
by
fit. We should
abide by
abide
some
by
rules of
some rules of
health to
health to
keep
keep fit.
fit.
At first, we
At
should eat a
first, we
balanced diet
should eat
because
a
a balanced
balanced
diet
diet.
contains all
A
the
balanced
food
diet
value. We
contains
should
all
drink
the food value.
plenty of water.
We
The
should
kidneys
drink
are
plenty of
body's filter.
water.
They cannot
The
work
kidneys are the body's
efficiently
filter.
without
They can't
sufficient
work
water. After that, we
efficiently
should
without
remain neat and clean.
uh,
Then we should go to bed early and
water.
pray.
After that, we should
Next,
remain neat and clean.
we should
Then
take
we
physical
should go to bed
exercise regularly.
early
It helps
and
our muscles and
rise
nerves to work
early.
clean. It helps us
Next,
to
we
breathe
should
more
take
deeply
physical
and get more
exercise
air into
regularly.
our
It
lungs.
helps our
It also
muscles
helps the
and
blood to
nerves to work
circulate
properly. It
all over
helps
the
to breathe
body
more
and
deeply
prevent.
and get more air into
Finally,
our
we should
lungs.
have plenty of
It
rest
also
and sleep
helps
by
the
the following
blood
rules so we
to
can be fit.
circulate all over the body.
Okay. So I think you understand there. Although I want to read out one time. We should abide by. What's the meaning of abide by?
মেনে চলা
মেনে চলা. We should abide by some rules of health to keep fit. At first, we should eat a balanced diet because a balanced diet contains all the food value. Can you explain why they write here contains S কেন দিয়েছে? Who can say? Who can explain? Actually, verb is contain, but here they add S, contains. Why? Jait, say why? You are the first boy in your class. Anyone? আমরা ভার্বের শেষে এস বা ইয়েস when we use. Actually, সাবজেক্ট যখন সিঙ্গুলার হয় তখন আমরা এটা করি, তাই না? তাহলে এখানে সাবজেক্টটা কি? A balanced diet. This is the subject. That's why এটা contains হয়েছে. Clear? A balanced diet contains all the food value. We should drink plenty of water. The kidneys are the body's filter. They can't work efficiently without sufficient water. After that, we should remain neat and clean. Then we should go to bed early and rise early. Next, we should take physical exercise regularly. It helps our muscles and nerves to work properly. It helps us to breathe more. Okay, just wait. Okay. It helps us to breathe more deeply and get more air into our lungs. It also helps the blood to circulate all over the body and prevent constipation. Finally, we should have plenty of rest and sleep. By following the above rules, above মানে হচ্ছে উপরের যে rules গুলো আমরা পড়লাম. By following the above rules, we can keep fit. Okay? So সবাই এটা একটু লিখে দেবেন. Done? Miss, I have done my writing. Okay, so I think you know that this is our HW. You have to give the presentation in next class. And now I share these three questions and answer. So first of all, you write it down, and this is the CW. Right now, you have to say the question and answer, okay? And in total, I give you 5 minutes. So what's the question and answer? With whom do you spend most of your time? I spend most of my time with my father or mother or sister or brother. Do you like your name? Why or why not? Yes, I like my name because it has a beautiful meaning. Or if you don't like your name, that time you say, no, I don't like my name because it doesn't match my personality. Got it? Then 30. Do you like shopping? Why or why not? Yes, I do. Shopping makes me happy and cheerful. This is the if you like. And if you don't like, then you say, no, I don't. I'm a confused person and I can't choose what to buy. অনেকে আছে না confused? Actually, who are confused? If you want to buy anything, if your mother say, Jai, choose anything, what will you buy? Are you confused?
Yes, miss.
সবাই confused? আচ্ছা, বুশরা is not confused. মানে যেটা দেখবো কিনতে পারবো, তাই না? অ্যানিল অলসো। এটা খুব ভালো, ডিসিশন নেওয়াটা খুব ভালো। যেরকম অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি আগে ডিসিশন নিতেই পারতাম না, কিন্তু এখন আমি এমন যে তুমি আমাকে যত টাকাই দাও আমি যে কোনো শপিং মানে উইদিন 1 hour or 2 hours আই ক্যান ডু এভরিথিং। কারণ হচ্ছে একা একা সব করতে করতে এখন মনে হচ্ছে সবই পারি একা, কারো ডিসিশন লাগে না। ঠিক আছে? সো এটা একটা ভালো দিক যে নিজে থেকে ডিসিশন নিতে পারা। আচ্ছা, সো ইয়োর টাস্ক ইজ জাস্ট রাইট ডাউন দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্ড অ্যান্সার। ঠিক আছে, আমি 5 মিনিট সময় দিব। In the meantime, I want to pray my Asr Salah. Okay? Is there any problem? No. Anila, what are you thinking?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. So write it down and just I pray my Asr Salat and then you have to say question and answer. Okay? And you can add more answers also. Okay, I think done. Now I stop the share and one by one. So Anila, you asked to Zaid. Anila, you asked to Zaid, and I request Rishti on your video. Videoটা on the Anila, you asked to Zaid these questions.
Hello, Zaid. With whom do you spend most of your time?
I spend most of my time with my sister.
Do you like your name? And why?
Yes, I like my name because it has a beautiful meaning.
Beautiful meaning.
Do you like shopping? Why? Why?
Yes, no, I don't. I
Like,
am
no, I don't
no,
like shopping.
I don't, no, I don't like shopping. I am a confused person
Person,
and I cannot choose what to
what
buy.
to buy. Thank you. Zaid, you asked to Anila, same question.
Okay, miss. With whom do you spend most of your time, Anila?
I spend most of my time with my sister. No.
Okay. Do you like your name?
Yes, I like my name because it has a beautiful meaning.
Do you like shopping? Why?
Yeah, yes, I do. Shopping makes me happy and cheerful.
Thank you, miss.
Now, Srishti, you asked to Bushra. Bushra ke ask korbo.
Hello, Bushra. With whom do you spend your most of the time? I spend most of my time with my brother. Oh, do you like your name? Why? Yes, I like my name because it has a beautiful meaning. Do you like to do shopping? Yes, I do like to shopping because it
Why?
makes me happy and cheerful. Oh,
Okay, now Bushra, you asked to Srishti, same question. Quickly ask
with
korbo.
whom do you spend most of your time? I spend most of time with myself. Do you like your name? Yes, I like my name because it has a beautiful meaning. Do you like shopping? No, I don't like shopping because it is a boring thing.
That's it. Okay. Just wait. I'm giving the another slide. Okay. Um, Now you have to do this one, all of you. Write it down. Can you see the answer? No. Okay. So do it. Match the words in column A. We know that with their meanings that are mentioned in
Miss, may I
column B. Yes, but come quickly.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, is it done? And also you have to memorize these phrases also. Meaningটা আমরা মুখস্থ করে ফেলবো, ঠিক আছে? If you memorize this one, then I will take a live session after 20 minutes. সবাই লাইভে এসে আমাকে এটা একটু মুখস্থ দিবে, ঠিক আছে? জাহিদ, অ্যানিলা, সৃষ্টি and বুশরা. Okay? Is there any problem? Because there is no exam now. Okay? I will take the live session within our time. Time এর মধ্যেই নিব, class time. Do you agree, everyone? You want to join live session? So if you say, then I will make a link for live session. Anila ki bolo, Zaid, Srishti, okay? Busha also. Acha. So now you write it down and try to memorize. I will make the link. I'm making the link. Okay, so I think done this one. And now we can share. So what did you write, lazy? Lazy দিয়ে আমরা কি লিখেছি?
Unwilling to work.
Good. So the lazy means আমরা কিভাবে বলতে পারি? Lazy means unwilling to work. Good. You got the 1 point. Then active. Active means engaged in action. কাজে যে active, so engaged in action. And then quick. আমরা কিন্তু পরীক্ষায় আসলে এইভাবে লিখবো, তাহলে সুন্দর করে টিচারের সুবিধা হবে এবং নাম্বার পাবে। Quick. Quick, what will you say? Fast in doing things. Fast in doing things. And food. Things that people or animals eat. Food. Things that people or animals eat. And machine. A thing made from metal. একটা জিনিস যেটা মানে মেটাল থেকে তৈরি। A thing made from metal. That is machine. So এটা মুখস্থ করে ফেলতে হবে। হ্যাঁ, আমি একটু টাইম দিব, সমস্যা নাই। In the meantime, we will do the grammar section, and after doing the grammar, then we will do the live session. Okay? So সবাই আসবো তো নাকি? নাকি আমি বসে থাকবো লাইভে এসে দেখবো যে কেউ নাই? সবাই আসবো, হ্যাঁ? I already made the link. এই যে লিঙ্কটা অলরেডি তৈরি করে ফেলেছি. You go to the Liakas Kids 151 and then you scroll, and before 1 minute ago I gave this one link, 8CBX4 এটা, ঠিক আছে? ওকে, তাহলে আমরা আগে একটু গ্রামারটা শেষ করি। আচ্ছা, so not here. Okay, now এটা একটু খেয়াল করবো। I was doing and I did. I was doing এটা কোন টেন্স বলো তো? Which tense is it?
Continuous.
Past continuous, মানে আমি করছিলাম। এটার স্ট্রাকচারটা কি? সাবজেক্ট was অথবা were, দেন মেইন ভার্ব ডু এর সাথে আইএনজি, ঠিক আছে? এটা হচ্ছে পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস। আর যদি বলি আই ডিড, মানে সাবজেক্ট এন্ড ভি টু ফর্ম, দ্যাট ইজ পাস্ট সিম্পল, মানে পাস্ট ইনফিনিট। তাহলে আমরা যদি দেখি, জ্যাক ওয়াজ রিডিং আ বুক, সে একটা বই পড়তেছিল। দ্য ফোন র্যাং, ফোনটা বেজেছিল, বাজতেছিল না, বেজেছিল। হি স্টপড রিডিং, সে পড়াটা বন্ধ করেছিল। and he said hello, that means he answered the phone. তাহলে আমাকে বলো তো, which tense is it?
Past. Past continuous.
Past continuous, past এর কোন ভাগ সেটা বলতে হবে তো। and 1 2 3, these three sentences which tense?
Past simple.
Past simple, very good। তাহলে বাকি তিনোটাই কিন্তু past simple, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে এখন আমরা যদি দেখি, what happened, কি ঘটেছিল? the phone rang, কোশ্চেনটা করেছে কিভাবে? পাস্ট টেন্সে, অ্যান্সারটাও দিয়েছে পাস্ট টেন্সে। হোয়াট ওয়াজ জ্যাক ডুইং ওয়েন দ্য ফোন র্যাং, যখন ফোনটা বেজেছিল জ্যাক কি করছিল? এটা কন্টিনিউয়াসে কোশ্চেন করেছে, অ্যান্সারটাও হবে কন্টিনিউয়াসে, হি ওয়াজ রিডিং আ বুক। হোয়াট ডিড হি ডু ওয়েন দ্য ফোন র্যাং, যখন ফোনটা বেজেছিল সে কি করেছিল? হি স্টপড রিডিং অ্যান্ড অ্যান্সার্ড দ্য ফোন। জ্যাক began reading before the phone rang. So, when the phone rang, he was reading. He started reading, the phone rang, he stopped reading, he answered the phone. Clear? Okay. So, if it is clear, then you do the exercise. The exercise is here. 14.1. সবগুলো আমরা করব। আগে তো ইনস্ট্রাকশনটা বলি। Look at the pictures, put the verbs in the correct form, past continuous or past simple. এটা past continuous ও হতে পারে or past simple হতে পারে, ঠিক আছে? সো এখানে ব্র্যাকেটে ভার্ব গুলো দেওয়া আছে, you can get the verb and it will be continuous or simple. If it is simple, then you use V2 form, and if it is continuous, then you use V plus ing, and before that was or were. এটাই তো, তাই না? ওকে, এবার তাহলে করে ফেলি। ফুল সেন্টেন্সে আচ্ছা লেখার টাইম নেই, শুধু অ্যান্সারটা লিখবো, তারপর তো আমরা লাইভে আসবো। শুধু অ্যান্সারটা লিখবো, জাস্ট রাইট ডাউন অ্যান্সার, নো নিড টু রাইট ডাউন ফুল সেন্টেন্স। Done, everyone? Are you facing any problem? সবার কি ডান হয়েছে? আচ্ছা, sound নাই কেন? ওকে, নাও উই ক্যান চেক দ্য অ্যান্সার। আমরা কি লিখেছি? প্রথমটা যেরকম লুসি ব্রোক হার আর্ম লাস্ট উইক, এই যে লাস্ট উইকের জন্যই কিন্তু এটা সাইন, পাস্ট সাইন, দ্যাটস ওয়াই ব্রেক, ব্রোক। ইট ড্যাশ, এটা কি হবে?
happened,
ইট হ্যাপেন্ড ওয়েন, কি লিখেছো বলো?
was painting.
When
Was
she
she
was painting her room, she
She fell
fell
off the ladder.
fell. She fell off the ladder. Very good. It's correct. Happened, was painting, fell. And then the train dash arrived at the station. তাহলে কি হবে? Arrived. The train arrived at the station and Paula got off. মানে এখান থেকে নামলো, got off. Two friends of hers, John and Rachel, দুইজন যেহেতু were waiting to meet her. Is it okay? Were waiting. দুইজন friend wait করছিল, এটা past continuous হবে. And the third one is Shio. Yesterday, Shio was walking along the road when যখন she met, met, meet এটা হচ্ছে present form, এটার past form হচ্ছে met. She met James. He was going, সে কোথায় যাচ্ছিল? To the station to catch a train, and he was carrying, okay, he was carrying a bag. তাহলে কি হচ্ছে? Was carrying, and then they stopped to talk for a few minutes. Okay, এটাই কি লিখেছে সবার? Everything is correct, Bushra? Bushra, Zaid, Anila, Srishti, everything is correct?
Yes, please.
Yasmin?
Now read out 1 to 3, মানে 1 থেকে 3টা সিচুয়েশন আমরা বলবো। হ্যাঁ, বলো সবাই, উপর থেকে বলো। Lucy broke
Lucy broke her
Lucy broke her arm last week.
happened
It
when she was
happened
painting
when
her room.
she
Fell off.
was painting her room.
A
She
train arrived
fell
at the
off
station.
the ladder.
Paula got
The
off.
train arrived
Rachel
at the
went to meet her.
station and
Yesterday,
Paul
left
got off.
her with
Two friends
men
of hers, John and Russell,
was going
were waiting to meet her.
carrying a bag
Yesterday, she
for a minute.
was walking.
ওকে, ডান। তাহলে আমরা এটা বুঝতে পেরেছি। সো you can check the file and you can do the next things at home, and later I will make you understand. এটা এখন আর করবো না। তাহলে এখন তোমাদের কাজ হচ্ছে আমরা একটু লাইভে যাব। লাইভে যাব কি, এই জিনিসটা শুধু আমাকে না দেখে বলতে হবে, ঠিক আছে? আর ক্লাসের পড়া তো জিজ্ঞাসা করবে, এটাই। আচ্ছা, তাহলে আমরা হচ্ছে লিঙ্কে যাব। জানি তো সবাই, লিয়াকাস কিডস 151 সবাই আসবো। আমি 4 জনকে চারজনের জন্য ওয়েট করছি। ওকে, ইউ কাম।